This is the other vacuum I acquired today, which is St. Patrick's Day. This is an older. It was purchased in '98. Hoover WindTunnel. This has the old. I think it's a Maytag motor, and the brush roll is pretty worn, but it still seems to beat the carpet okay. This is also the smaller version. It's not the wide path. So without further ado, I'll run it real briefly, and then I'll go shopping for a brush roll. The sound of this thing brings back memories because an old boss of my mom's had a orange one had the orange one with the attachments, and so it was orange, had the attachments, and had the red square handle switch. No dirt finder in the headlight. So I think it was one of those weird Harrington ones that Home Depot sold. I don't know if they made these in orange, but I know it was one of these with the attachments, the red handle on-off switch. I think it might have been round actually, but it was the red on-off switch, attachments, orange, wide path, and I don't believe it had the dirt finder. And it had this motor in it, and I used it a lot. I used it a fair bit. And I just remember it because I haven't seen a lot of orange ones. I want to find one of those eventually, but I know they're kind of hard to find. Anyways, without further ado, let's fire this old beast up. And as I said, it's got the Maytag motor, so it sounds nothing like my other ones. Definitely has some bearing noise to it, but for being as old as it is, and being having a lot of use on it, doesn't run too badly. It's definitely a lot noisier than the newer ones, though. But that's just down to the motor. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one.